Have you ever felt like you're just one secret away from unlocking a universe of abundance? Like there's just one piece of the puzzle missing in your journey of manifestation? Well, you're not alone. Across the world, millions are chanting affirmations and visualizing their dreams, yet only a handful seem to turn these dreams into reality. Why is that? Today, we're diving deep into the heart of manifestation, unraveling the one vital element without which, let's face it, manifestation is just a boat without a sail. Stick around, because this revelation might just be the key you've been searching for. I know that you've been following every rule in the book of manifestation. You're visualizing, you're affirming, you're doing everything right. Yet the universe seems to be in silent mode. No signs, no miracles, nothing. Frustrating, isn't it? It's like you're shouting into a void, hoping for an echo, but all you get is silence. This is where most people throw in the towel, thinking manifestation is just a fancy word for wishful thinking. But wait, there's more to this story. What if I told you that the secret ingredient to effective manifestation isn't just about asking the universe. It's about something much more tangible, something within you. This is where we often miss the mark. Manifestation isn't a magic trick. It's a process, a journey that involves not just your mind, but your whole being. It's like trying to start a car without the key. No matter how much you understand the mechanics of the car, without the key, it's just a stationary object. Similarly, manifestation without this key element is just a daydream. So, what is this key? It's something so simple yet so overlooked that many of us miss it entirely. It's not just about the what or the how, it's about the who. Who are you when you're manifesting your dreams? Are you someone waiting for the universe to hand you things, or are you someone who's ready to take action? This, my friends, is the essence of our journey today. We're going to explore how aligning your identity with your intentions is the game changer in turning your dreams into reality. Get ready to embark on a journey that goes beyond the surface of manifestation. We'll dive into personal stories, scientific insights, and practical steps to unlock the true power of manifestation. This is not just about hoping for the best. It's about becoming the best version of yourself to receive the best the universe has to offer. So buckle up as we unravel the mystery behind effective manifestation and how you can transform not just your mindset, but your entire life with this one crucial element. Now, let's peel back the layers of this concept. You see, the universe doesn't just respond to what you ask for, it responds to who you are. It's like tuning into a radio frequency. You can't expect to catch a rock station while you're tuned into classical music. Similarly, to manifest your dreams, you need to align your inner frequency with your desires. It's about embodying the energy of what you want to attract. But how do we do this? Let me share a story that perfectly illustrates this principle. Meet Emily, a friend of mine. Emily was all about manifestation. She had vision boards, daily affirmations, the works. But for some reason, her dream job seemed as distant as ever. One day, we sat down for coffee, and she poured out her frustrations. That's when it hit me. Emily was doing everything right except one thing. She wasn't being her dream. She saw herself as someone trying to get a job, not as someone who had the job. This subtle shift in identity was the key she was missing. So Emily changed her approach. Instead of just visualizing and hoping, she started acting like she already had her dream job. She updated her skills, networked in her desired field, and even dressed the part. She embodied the role she wanted. And guess what? Within months, Emily landed a job that was even better than what she had imagined. This story isn't just about Emily, it's about each one of us. Often, we get caught up in the wanting part of manifestation, focusing solely on the outcome. But the real magic happens when we start being, aligning our thoughts, actions, and entire selves with our goals. It's like the universe is a giant mirror, reflecting not just our desires, but our deepest beliefs about ourselves. So, how do we bridge the gap between who we are and who we need to be to manifest our deepest desires? It's not just about wishful thinking, it's about transformative thinking. Let's dive into some powerful steps and psychological insights that can shift your manifestation journey from idle dreaming to active creating. Imagine for a moment that you're a master sculptor. In your hands, you hold not just clay, but the very essence of your beliefs. This clay is malleable, ready to be shaped and transformed. That's exactly what belief sculpting is all about. It's about taking the raw material of your current beliefs and meticulously crafting them into a masterpiece that reflects your true aspirations. Think of Michelangelo, who saw the angel in the marble and carved until he set it free. That's what you're doing with your beliefs. You're chipping away the doubts, fears, and limiting thoughts that have kept you confined, revealing the powerful, capable, and deserving person you truly are. This isn't just a change, it's a metamorphosis. But how do you begin this transformation? It starts with a deep dive into the core of your beliefs. Look at them like an artist scrutinizing their work. Identify those beliefs that are more like shackles holding you back. Do you harbor thoughts of unworthiness? Do you doubt your capabilities? Recognize these limiting beliefs as the misshapen pieces of clay they are. Now here comes the exciting part, reshaping these beliefs. With each empowering thought, you're adding a stroke of genius to your sculpture. Replace "I can't" with "I can," "I'm not worthy" with "I deserve the best." It's not just about saying these words, it's about feeling them, living them. This is where the sculpting gets real. It's where your beliefs start aligning with the reality you yearn to create. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a masterpiece. Belief sculpting is a process that requires patience, persistence, and passion. Each day, as you replace old beliefs with new, empowering ones, you'll notice a shift, not just in your thoughts, but in your reality. You'll start attracting opportunities that resonate with your new beliefs. Obstacles that seemed insurmountable will begin to crumble, and doors you never noticed will swing open. As we continue this journey, let's keep sculpting, keep transforming. Your beliefs are the canvas of your manifestation, and you have the power to create a masterpiece. The universe is waiting to see what you'll create. Are you ready to show it? Next, we delve into behavioral synchronization. It's about aligning your daily actions with your desired reality. Say you want to become a successful entrepreneur. Start by adopting the habits and mindset of a successful entrepreneur. Read books they read, network in their circles, and take risks they would take. It's about living the part, even before it becomes your reality. This creates a powerful resonance between your current self and your future self. Now, let's add a sprinkle of emotional engineering. Your emotions are a powerful indicator of your alignment. When your emotions are in sync with your goals, you emit an energy that the universe can't help but respond to. Cultivate the emotions you would feel when you achieve your goals. Feel the joy, the pride, the satisfaction now, and watch how this emotional alignment accelerates your journey towards your dreams. But here's the clincher: conscious consistency. This is the glue that holds it all together. You can't just align your beliefs, behaviors, and emotions for a day and expect miracles. This alignment needs to be a consistent practice. Every day, remind yourself of who you are becoming and let every action, thought, and emotion reflect this. It's about being unwavering in your commitment to your new identity. And finally, let's not forget the power of reflective realization. Take time to reflect on your journey, acknowledge the changes you're making, and celebrate the small wins. Reflection helps consolidate your new identity, reinforcing your alignment with your goals. As we wrap up this part of our journey, remember that manifestation is not just about attracting what you want. It's about becoming someone who naturally aligns with those desires. It's about evolving, growing, and transforming into the best version of yourself. And when you do that, the universe doesn't just listen, it responds. As we wrap up our journey today, remember, the secret to unlocking the power of manifestation lies within you. It's not just about what you want, but who you become in the process. Keep sculpting your beliefs, aligning your actions, and embodying the energy of your dreams. You're not just manifesting, you're transforming. Thank you for joining me on this transformative journey. Embrace your power and watch as the universe unfolds in your favor. Until next time, keep manifesting, keep growing, and keep believing in the magic within you.